Suitable position to place the UHF sticker. Equipment needed. Use tape on the side of the sticker to identify the position. Use detergent to ensure the surface is clean from dust and oil. Stick the UHF sticker. Remove the plastic cover and carefully stick the UHF sticker. Wipe the sticker using cloth or tissue to ensure the sticker is completely stick to the body. Avoid touching or pressing the black dot at the center of the sticker. If the reader detects the sticker, then the barrier gate opens.